Hello guys, welcome back to another update of the house. And as I said on our last video, is that we were supposed to sorry, I have a cold. We were supposed to start on the floor tiles, and I'm happy to update you guys that I think 99%, not 99%, I think the whole floor of the house is complete. Just a few sections like the skirting and a few sections that have not been completed, but the entire house, we have done the floor tiling. What is remaining about, and also the bathrooms, we are done with the bathrooms, the tiles, the wall tiles and the floor tiles of the bathroom. So what is remaining about the tiling is the skirting, which is going to be done in a couple of days. All right. And the outdoor tiling has not started. Also we have not started with the, how do you call them, the tiling for the stairs. That is also another thing that we need to start on. So I'm just showing you around about the workmanship of the tiling that has been done. Nothing really fascinating, but yeah, it's just, but the person who's done the tiling has done a really amazing job. He's been so meticulous with the work that he was contracted to do. So we are happy about that. Yeah, because the tiles are really laid out very precisely, and they are also aligned very well, and we can't complain about that. So another thing that we're supposed to plan on is fixing the windows. Excuse me, I have a cold. It's been raining so much here in Nairobi and around the world, and of course it's, when it rains, we have a lot of issues to deal with, and I'm having a cold. I've been having a cold for some time. So if I cough in between the video, please just excuse me, and I'm sorry for that. And yeah, so as I've said, we've done tiling. The entire house has been tiled right now. So what is remaining on the tiling is the kitchen section. We haven't tiled the kitchen section, and what else? And the outdoor tiles. So we need to plan for that. Another thing that we are doing is we already made our doors. The last time I told you guys that we are going to fabricate the doors. So we already made the doors, and they are going to be fixed in the soon. Okay. So that is another update that I have. Another update that I've got is about the glasses of the windows, because since it's been raining, we really need to put up the glasses really fast, because the rain, when it rains, especially when it's raining and it's windy, the rain spills over to the house, and it's kind of messing up the skim coat that had already been put in place. So we really need to fast track the installing the glasses and all that, at least to prevent water from spilling into the house. And also if we let a lot of water to get into the house, it can mess up the tiles. So we really need to start on the windows. It is a plan that is underway. Yeah, so of course the guys who are doing the tiling will be completing in time. They're going to complete like the few touches that are remaining. Sorry guys, today so I'm just going to show you around what has been done, and maybe tell you what is remaining, because I think a lot has been done, and even if there's something that is remaining, something that we can still plan and see when they're going to be done. So those are just some of the tiles that have remained, and we are going to fix them because the floor of the interior space is complete. So the remaining tiles, the floor tiles, we're going to use them maybe in the other spaces that are not that have that spaces that have not been tiled yet. Yeah, that's the kitchen section. At least the wall, we haven't tiled it yet. We are yet to get tiles for the kitchen. So that is another thing that we really need to plan on. And but for the floor tiles, the remaining ones we'll use them for skirting, because we thought about buying another set of tiles to do skirting, like a different color, but we saw that there's no need. Yeah, as you can see, these are the glasses. They've just been cut into different sizes, and then they're going to be fixed in the windows. These are the doors that are supposed to be fixed. We have started fixing some, and the stair rails. The stair rails, I think, are going to be fixed, in the coming days. But the doors, some of them are already up, and I hope, or rather, we hope by the end of the week they'll be done. Oh, voila! See, we already started also fixing the toilets, the sinks. um at least, we really want to see, this is just one of the toilets. We want to really see, decide on the kind of toilets that we want this thing. So at least we have to try something and see whether the plumbing work is okay. And so we're just waiting for the plumber to finish setting up, and then we can see it later on. So as I said, as you can see, some of the doors have been fixed, and the locks too are being fixed. And yeah, so I mean, these doors are good. And also, as you can see, the windows are up. So most I can say 80% of the windows, no, let me say 70% of the window glasses have already been installed. So what remains is just cleaning the windows, so that I think the party that they used to connect the glass to the frame, or yeah, it becomes, so that at least they can clean it off, so that the window becomes clean. So this is just part of the materials of some of the sinks, the taps that we have bought. So this is how the window is looking like from the outside. So there, this section we also need to tile. This is the one of the outdoor sections. We've not planned for the tiles for this section. Oh my god, it's raining, and it's raining and raining, and I also have a cold. So yeah, these are some of the fixtures that we've done in the bathroom. So here we need to fix the Arabic shower. We need to fix the sinks. So we haven't gotten all the sinks and the toilets and all those things. So we really need to shop for them. But of course, we have to plan for it before we do that. And the toilets are hanging toilets. They're not mounted on the ground. They are hanging toilets. So we thought it was better, for we didn't want toilets that were mounted on the ground. We wanted ones that are hanging. Yeah. So we are glad that we got them. So this is one of the doors that has been fixed. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. And of course, even this one, the locks have been placed. So I hope, or we hope, the next time we go back to check, we'll find that they've really done a lot with the fixtures that they are doing. I hope they'll be done with the doors. They'll be done with installing the windows, because as I said, most of the windows, the window glasses, sorry, have been fixed. So we're just waiting for them to clean the window, so that to clean the glasses, so that at least they become neat and all that. And that is something that they're gonna do. As you can see, those lines, you can see water lines on the wall. That is some of the, when it was raining, it used to get inside the house. Uh, so when it gets into the house, it drips on the wall as it goes down, and it was messing the skim coat that we had put earlier. That's why we had to really rush. As you can see also this window, what is happening here. We had to really rush to put the glasses, at least also to protect the tiles. Yeah, you can see the lines from the water, from the rain. So we had to rush to put the glasses, so that at least even as we protect the tiles that have already been installed, we also protect the skim coat that already was already done. So that's our able plumber. He's trying to fix the sink. At least we are still trying to gauge the kind of sinks that we want for our spaces. So this is just one of them. So he's trying to fix them. All these are just is it his tools of trade and all the fixtures that he needs to fix the sink. So he needs to fix it, so that we can try and gauge the kind of things that we want. And also outside here, what we are going to do, we're going to paint using the, is it rough and rock? We want to have like a kind of a textured exterior. So that is what we're going to do on the exterior wall. They've already started doing it. Yeah, this is the rough and rock that we're gonna use on the exterior. What we are doing on that section of the window is that we are gonna put glass, and you don't want the concrete to reflect on the glass. So what you're going to do is, of course, after putting the rough and rock, it's gonna be painted the color of the window frame, so that when you put the glass, then it looks like a continuous window. It doesn't have like that concrete feeling. Yeah, so this is one of the bathrooms. Yeah, I've come to check whether the plumber has fixed the other things that he was supposed to fix. And I'm glad that our sink is working and the water is running. Finally, the water is running in the house. So of course, this is the cloakroom, the guest cloakroom. No, is it the guest cloakroom? Yeah, but I think it's the cloakroom for the common cloakroom. Let me call it like that. And of course, we have the Arabian shower already fixed. We have the tissue paper holder already fixed. Also, the toilet brush is also fixed. So we want our bathroom spaces to have this kind of look. But of course, it isn't complete. There are other things that we need to add, but at least the way it is, it can be used comfortably. And we are happy, at least things are starting to run perfectly well in the house. Like for this one, this is the shower cubicle, and of course we're gonna work on that later. So I want to really thank you guys so much. I'm so sorry today I had a cold, and I couldn't contain my coughs here and there, but I hope maybe in the coming days I'm gonna be okay, so that I give you a very nice tour of the house. When I think by the time we're back, it's going to be okay.